What's up everybody? I am so stoked because we are hosting the second ever Turning Point USA Airsoft Battle. It is gonna be a blast. We're planning on about 50 people showing up and we're gonna give away over $500 worth of stuff. Also, big thanks to Turning Point USA for sponsoring the video once again. It's an organization that gets youth active in their freedoms, rights, and liberties. They were the one who actually made the video possible today. So go check out the link in the description below to get yourself involved with Turning Point. But make sure to get plugged into a hub or chapter that's near you and you'll get notified of any upcoming events that they host. And you may even be featured in a video, who knows. Anyway, enough of that. Here is today's recap from the Turning Point USA Airsoft Battle. Enjoy.
Take your guys' generation to be able to stand up for the stuff that they're teaching in schools. Those are actually good moments to have discussion. Head up, boys, let's go! Let's go!
got fight.
I don't got ammo, but...
I'm dead.
Holy cow, that was a blast. That was one of the most funnest times I've ever had. Funnest? Is funnest a word? Comment down below, is funnest a word? That was one of the most fun times I've ever had playing Airsoft. It's just funner when you have more people. Once again, this video was sponsored by Turning Point. Click the link in the description below to get yourself involved. If you guys want to see the $1,000 worth of Airsoft guns that we used in the battle today, then go check out this video right here in the corner because me and Easton actually opened all this stuff and it cost $1,000. If you guys want to see more Airsoft content, make sure to subscribe to our channel because we're planning on uploading a lot in the near future, especially in the summertime. Make sure to subscribe for more Airsoft content, and God bless. Peace out.